Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar.
Hello, and welcome. Money on the floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Talking about arbitraging, talking about these crazy cryptos, talking about Apex. Apex, the future of arbitraging. You got Apex, you got Trade Pro. We're going to have passive incomes. We're also going to have trading incomes. You'll have shadow trading. So much to come. Don't forget those crypto debit cards we signed up for. Those got to be coming. So right now we're waiting. But I'm excited because they say this next month that by the end of the month, we're going to have Apex Live. And if we can get Apex Live, that means we can make a profit. That means the coin will go up. That means things will start moving. That means all these other things will start coming into play. Once something's profitable, it only gets better. Right now, without anything, it's not going nowhere. It's not getting better. We're just sitting here. So we got big changes coming this next month. So I'm really excited. I mean, I can't tell you how long I've been waiting for this. It's just crazy. Once my A-bot stopped, it was like, wow, what happens now? But right now, we are going to practice with Apex. Because once Apex goes live, that is the easiest way to make money. That is what I like. It's what I promote. It's what makes me happy as a customer. I look over here, I see Bitcoin's up, ETH is down. I see Bitcoin has a dayish red. So I'm looking for market buy, I think. Because I feel we're still going to go up. I feel we already made the trend line. We popped up. We came back down. We're looking for a buy. So I'm going to put a long for a buy, and we'll see how that works out. That's very simple. Put in 100, 50, boom, done. Wait and see what happens. Now let's analyze this further. So we already know, we can see we're in a downwards move. You can see all the way to this point. You could put a trend line right across this, but you see we broke out. We're coming back down to retest. So now are we going to continue down to retest some more, or are we going to pop up? We don't know yet. So let's check out the next one. 4 hour. What clues we got here? Clues here, we came down. We went back up. We're still going up. Looks like we're going up. So that's exciting. That means our market cap's in a good spot. Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour says we are going up. If you put a trend line across this, anything above there that's green, you buy. Anything below it, you sell it. You have to break below and then get a red candle, then you sell it. So that's pretty good. I like that. Pretty good odds. We go down to 15-minute chart, we're in a triangle. Now this could be a rising wedge, which would be a buy signal, so you got to be careful. But maybe we got a lot to go to the top. Right now we got a red candle. So I'm thinking if this red candle goes down anymore, we need to buy this. This could be a double top. So I mean, you got to look at it structurally wise. So it could be a double top, could be just a triangle. So let's take it smaller. Let's get more candles involved. 5-minute chart. There you go. Looks like we had like a little head and shoulders, a break neckline, went down. Now we're coming back up. My guess is we're still going up. So I'm looking for a buy. We got a buy candle there. Let it come halfway down before we buy in. Otherwise, we're just going to get ourselves in trouble. It looks like it wants to go up already. So let's go ahead and get this ready. I buy in now, I'm buying at this point here, and then I have to go higher to make a profit. I'm hoping we get a small pullback before we go up. It's trying. much time we got in this candle? Only got about 1 more minute on this candle. Okay, there it is. Pull back, done. Okay, so we're getting it at a better price point, that's all. If I'm wrong, I'm still wrong. It's still going to drop down here and blow us out. So we got to cross this before I close the trade. So there's our outing point. Now where's our take profit? Take profit would be 2 bars up into here. Or if the video's end and we're in profit, we'll just close it out. But ideally, we'd like to get 2 to 1. Here's our stop. There's our take profit. These squares are perfect because they're support and resistance. If you notice, every line's a double zero, double zero, double zero, double zero. Very strong. And if you go through the history, which you need to do, you'll see that we had a stopping point, we had a stopping point, we had a stopping point, we had a stopping point. So they show you where the support and resistance is. So if you can't figure that out, you shouldn't be trading. But right now you can tell these lines are very strong. So utilize those in your trading. Right now we're still getting a down push. Might have a loss, but you never know. All we can do is see what we see and try to go with it. And when we're wrong, we get out at 1. When we're right, we get out at 2. That's all. Now, if this thing goes up 1 candle, right? And before your stop was here, your mental stop, now your mental stop's going to go here. For some reason, if it comes back down and tries to close you out, that's your stopping point. So you got to remember that once you move up 1 square, your stop moves up too, to at least break even or tiny loss. So if it's not going to go up, you don't want to be in the trade. That's all. It's kind of like a mental break even. Normally, I would just push my stop up there and try to lock some in, so, or at least lock in my stop loss. So if it's going to come back down, even if it's going to go up later, I don't want to be in the trade if it's not going to go up now. So we're waiting to see if this is going to continue up or if it's going to take us out. This is our stop here. It's our mental stop. We go past that line, we just push that button. End of story. Let me see. Market cap's way up. That's good. I have one from earlier that's way into profit, so we can close that one out. And that was a sell, and this one's a long, so we'll see what happens. Kind of weird having a sell and a long both in a profit. So right now our trade's negative. We're coming down a little bit with 1 candle. Remember, this is our stopping point. Right now it's making a little triangle. This could be a flag pattern. This could be a rejection and we're coming back. Maybe this is the double top and we're coming back down. So we'll find out. If we're wrong, we just get out and reposition ourselves. Or, don't trade until you find something you like. All because you take a loss doesn't mean you got to jump back in. It means you're going to need to reconfigure, rethink things, recalculate, because whatever it was you thought it was not. And that's going to happen quite a bit. See, like this resistance point here runs right into the top there. So maybe this is going to push us back down. And if you put a trend line across this, it could come down to this point. So if we're wrong and we take a loss, once it comes down to this point and we get a bounce, we could take another buy. It's as simple as that. I mean, that's how I look at it. I already got it planned out. You never know what these things are going to do. All I know is this is the easiest form of trading I know of. So using structure, support and resistance for your take profit and for your stop. Now we got a lot of support right here. It might bounce right off of that or it'll penetrate through and we'll close the trade. Either way. Now remember, if it does come down that far, that means it's going to come down to this trend line here. chances are. And if it comes down to about here, it'll be right where we take it out, and if the candle goes green and bounces up, we'd like to take a buy at that point. Now, since we know that, you could take a chance, say, okay, I'll put a trend line across here, and if it crosses that, I will get out. And that's fair too. You could do that, but the problem is you're taking a chance with that loss that it just blows all the way through. And it comes down here to the bottom, somewhere down here. It's always better to close at a smaller loss. So. Let me go ahead and stop the video. We can come back when we see exactly what happened. Okay, we're moving up into profit. Okay, we're going to take profit. All right, easy peasy. I love it. Nothing easier than that. Even the other trade we got profit. So we're closing out of everything. So today was a good day. Have a great day. Stay ARB strong. We will talk to you guys soon. So just remember, easy peasy. That's Apex. Okay, bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.